hello, namaste, adab. Welcome and welcome back to Telangana Properties Hub. Today we are at Nandigam, that is very near to Patancheru, and this is a HMDA layout. This is a villas project. We can see the plots here that we are showing in the video. It's a very good place for investment because this is a HMDA approved layout. We will get into the location highlights and the project highlights shortly. You can see these are the internal roads, 30 feet and 40 feet blacktop internal roads. And this layout, coming to the project highlights, as I told you, this is a HMDA layout. Entire layout has been designed as per Vastu. All blacktop roads, 30 feet and 40 feet internal roads. Electricity with transformer and street lights are provided. Underground drainage facility is provided. Overhead water tank and park are situated. Overhead water tank is for the community people for the municipal water storage. And avenue plantation has already been started. You can see the plans over here in the video. These are the blacktop roads. Development has been started already. And there is a compound wall for entire layout with entrance gate. And construction is also undertaken. Now coming to the location highlights of this project. This is 4 kilometers near to Outer Ring Road, 4 kilometers from MMTS railway station. This is very near to Kollur and Tellapur, 15 kilometers from BHEL, 30 minutes drive from Hi-Tech City and Gachibowli. This is a very important point. So 30 minutes drive from Hi-Tech City and Gachibowli, and these plots are coming at the reasonable price. If you need more details about the price or the square yards of the project, multiple square yards that are available, please do call us on the numbers that are provided in the description box or leave a comment. We will get back to you. And it is very near to ITSS, surrounded by residential townships, and this is near to international schools and colleges. So even we can construct the houses and stay here in near future. So this is a good place for investment. This will grow rapidly because it is very near to Hi-Tech City and Gachibowli, ITSS, and even the Outer Ring Road. Very well connected project. You can see these are the plots. The development is in progress. This is a HMDA layout, villa projects. The plantation is done, you can see. Please call us on the numbers provided if you need more details about this project and even the price details. Now let's check inside. These are the blacktop roads. You can see these are the internal blacktop roads, and there is a wall, compound wall also constructed, and there is also a park planned inside the project. We are getting it for the reasonable price. So please do call us on the numbers that are provided for more details. Please leave a comment if you want us to get back. As I told you, this is 4 kilometers away from the Outer Ring Road. So this is a very well connected project. 30 minutes drive from Hi-Tech City and Gachibowli. So this will grow rapidly. This is the entire layout that we have shown you in the 360-degree view. Already electricity work has been done. Underground drainage work is also done. Avenue plantation is also done. Blacktop roads, internal roads are also done, and the remaining project work is in progress. So please leave a comment or do call us on the numbers that are provided if you need more details. Thanks for watching our video. Please let us know if you want to see more videos on the real estate ventures. Also, please leave a comment. Please like, share and subscribe our channel to get more updates on the other projects too. Thanks a lot.